Hi, my name is Peggy Portals, and on this channel I do primarily craft and DIY content, but really this has become a doll channel. I don't know about you, but for me, playing with toys is like adult regression therapy. There's a lot that needs to be dealt with in the everyday, because recently things have just really been feeling like
it's an evil world we live in, but hey, I'm gonna keep living and loving life.
And yeah, creating these dolls is a way for me to express myself, to feel like I have agency in the world, because YouTube is a censored place. I'm not trying to say too much, but I love making things, and if you like making things too, you should stick around and watch till the end and see what I make. So goodbye.
Please like and subscribe.
I really just said bye like so confidently, like I even went over what the heck's happening in this video. So in this video I will be going through making this beautiful doll. It's my first Rainbow High remake. I don't know if I even said that in the last clip, but it's my first Rainbow High doll creation. I don't know if it's a real Rainbow High doll. I got the body off of Aliexpress. I got the Licca head off of Aliexpress. Yeah, basically this is just my ode to rage, because there's a lot going on in the world right now, and I just feel like I don't have a lot of power in it, and the power that I do have is to make things. So here I'm making things. I encourage everyone to make things because it makes me feel good. It makes me feel like I have creative power, like I have agency in the world. Even if it's something so small and minuscule and silly as making a doll, it really helps to improve my mental health. So that's my TED Talk for the day. Actually, goodbye. Rolling the behind the scenes or whatever the process by. I have some reference pictures of the goddess Kali along with my initial sketches that I'm doing the design. These are all the materials that I use, just basic stuff from Michael's, nothing too fancy. And this is the AliExpress Monster High Body, and the neck peg was too small for the Licca head, so I just used some sticky tack and UV resin to like bulk up the neck peg. And I used some thick wire to make a necklace, and I started using the chain, this really fun kind of like decorative chain. The vision is to make a metal body chainmail dress, because this is inspired by a god. I didn't feel the need to like really give it clothes because it's not really like a person. I'm going for, like myth and legend and stuff. But yeah, I'm just using tiny jump rings that were just on screen to assemble this dress. It was kind of tedious opening and closing them all. The skull portion of the skirt, I just used these skull beads and put them on, looped them up, attached them to the dress. Oh, what I was showing there was I was using sticky tack throughout this to kind of hold everything together. I actually used some Uhu glue to glue the chain to the doll body. That's kind of something I either use sticky tack or glue if I really wanted it to stay there, since this is chain and there's not like a whole lot to give structure to the dress design. It needed to actually just be glued. So at this point you see that there's some skulls attached to this skirt. I do add more. Yeah, this is a little progress video. You can see the skulls added. Yeah, just cutting chain, adding more chain to the skirt. I did this cool little, you see the little chain coming down her back. I did more wire cuffs around the ankles and all 6 arms. And for the bracelets, I did that not directly on the doll like I did for the anklets, but I did it around that tool, and then I took off the hands and put them on. That was easier. And then I'm just using a hair dryer to warm up the Licca head a little bit so I can pop it onto the neck peg. You can see that I actually took down the neck peg a little bit. It wasn't as chunky as it was before. But yeah, I just love how this doll looked. How freaking fun. How freaking fun. I absolutely love it. It really helped me with my feelings, honestly. And thank you so much for making it to the end. I hope you enjoyed seeing this wonderful fun doll come to life. I had so much fun making her. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.